Hello, my friends, and welcome to day 14. This is going to be a quick stress and anxiety relief yoga flow. So, allowing you to release any tension you might be feeling from your work or soreness in your muscles and feel like you can tackle the rest of your day. So, you will need a mat for this one. When you're ready, meet me in a comfortable standing position. Allow your shoulder blades to travel down and back, standing up tall through the crown of the head. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. On your next big breath in, reach your fingertips up, flip your palms, interlace your fingers, press through the palms, and exhale to side bend over to the right. Gaze up toward the sky. Inhale to come back to center, and exhale, side bend over to the left. Come back through to center. Once more, over to the right. This time, fingertips reach, 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 reach. Reach up to the sky and exhale over to the left. Fingertips reach, reach, reach. Stand up nice and tall. Hands can come by your side. Just take some neck stretches. Right ear comes to right shoulder. Left fingertips reach towards the ground. Maybe you want to gaze up to the sky or take your gaze down toward the ground. Take your head up. Stand up tall. And exhale, left ear melts to left shoulder, right fingertips reach towards the ground. Stand up tall. Shake it out. On your inhale, squeeze your shoulders up towards your ears. And then release them down and back. Starting to take some shoulder rolls here. Nice and slow and big. Start to get your elbows involved. Continue to make the circles bigger and bigger until they've become arm circles, opening through the chest. Release your hands to your sides. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Take a nice wide stance, so feet at least mat width wide. Draw your knuckles down towards the ground. And then slowly hinge at the hips, coming into a forward fold. The birds are going crazy. Add a gentle sway from side to side. Slowly release your fingertips to the mat or to your shins. On an inhale, flat back, crown of the head reaches forward. Exhale, fold all the way. Generous bend in your knees, maybe your chest even rests on your thighs. And slowly make your way into a downward facing dog. Maybe you want to walk your hands out a little bit and then walk your feet out a little bit. Keep a nice bend in your knees here. Hips lifting towards the sky. Pedal out the feet. Do what feels good for you and your body. Find some stillness in your downward dog. And on your inhale, shift forward to come into plank, shoulders over wrists, press through all 10 fingers. Tap your knees, lower your chest all the way down. Take your hands out a little wider than your mat. Roll your shoulders back, squeeze your elbows in. Baby cobra, opening through the chest. Take one full deep breath in. Exhale, coming all the way down to your belly. Hands under shoulders, knees wide, child's pose. Take one more full deep breath in. Shift your way forward. We're going to find a puppy pose now. So keep your hips over your knees, but start to walk your hands forward as you allow your chest to release down towards the mat. Press into the tops of the feet for some stability. And think about breathing space all through the back body. Slowly walk your way up to all fours. We'll take a few rounds of cat-cow now. Inhaling to drop the belly, opening, spreading the collarbones. Exhale to round, tuck the tailbone. Take a few rounds like this at your own speed. Find a neutral spine and then make your way onto your seat. Seated is fine, or you can have your feet out in front of you. It's up to you. On an inhale, reach your fingertips up toward the sky. Let's take a twist. Right fingertips come behind, left fingertips to right knee, sitting up nice and tall through the crown of the head. On every exhale, looking further up and over that back shoulder. One more full deep breath in. Leave the left hand where it is and reach your right fingertips up and over for a side bend, grounding down through the right hip. On your next inhale, reach your hands up to the sky and exhale to find a twist. Slowly unravel yourself. Right hand stays where it is. Left fingertips reach up and over for a side bend. Think about opening your chest and looking up toward the sky. Inhale to sit up tall. Reach both fingertips up toward the sky. And from here, we're going to melt forward, folding forward over our crossed legs or over your extended legs. With every inhale, lengthening through the crown of the head forward, every exhale, hinging forward to release any remaining tension. If you can hang out here for longer, I invite you to do so. Otherwise, slowly walk your hands towards your body, sitting up nice and tall. We'll take one more full body inhale to reach up, and exhale to cactus the arms and open through the chest. Awesome. All right, well, that was relaxing. I hope you're feeling much better, a little bit less stressed and more relaxed. I can't wait to see you again soon, and that will be tomorrow. Until then, bye.